Although the Dubai new insolvency law kickstarted in 2019, there was a review in 2022 by the Dubai International Financial Center. This review has made the conditions for owing individuals and corporate firms in Dubai less grueling. Now, if you're new here, this is the best of Dubai, where you get the latest gist on the best things happening in the wonderful city of Dubai. So, the city of Dubai made itself more welcoming to businesses and people like you, bypassing the insolvency law in 2019. And with the review in 2022, things will become even better. In this video, we would be giving you a review of what the Dubai new insolvency law is, just in case it is new to you. Then we would talk about a review of the law and how it benefits debtors in Dubai. Knowing the Dubai new insolvency law is a big gain if you're sniffing for opportunities in Dubai or the UAE. If you think you're loving where this is going already, you can tap the thumbs up button to give us a like. This would help YouTube bring videos you'll enjoy to your view. What is the insolvency law? The insolvency law was designed to ease the punishment of debtors in Dubai. So let's say a person goes broke, and not just merely goes broke, but also owes huge amounts of money that they cannot pay back. The Dubai new insolvency law can hasten their repayments and journey back to financial stability. Let's talk about a real-life bankruptcy situation. In 2003, Mike Tyson declared bankruptcy. He had a total of $27 million in debt, and the biggest chunk of his debt was about $17.4 million, which he owed as tax liabilities to the government of the US and Britain. However, he's now back on his feet financially. Mike Tyson is a good example of someone who would have benefited from the insolvency law if he was living and doing business in Dubai. Now, the 2022 review helps to cushion the initial laws. And here's how the DIFC insolvency law has improved since 2019 and will benefit individuals and corporate firms. 1. The law now includes a debtor in possession bankruptcy regime. The debtor in possession bankruptcy regime is a rehabilitation that prevents creditors from taking harsh moves against the debtor for 120 days. Some of the steps creditors can take, which the law helps to prevent, include winding up the business or pursuing the handing over of properties that the debtor used as collateral. Not that we are picking on this guy, but he just happens to make the perfect example we're trying to illustrate here. So, for instance, part of how Mike Tyson came out of his debt was by using some of his properties which he had used as collateral besides settling with his dubious promoter in court. 2. The addition of cross-border insolvency. This part of the review doesn't apply to individuals. Rather, cross-border insolvency involves interventions for corporate firms that operate in more than one country. 3. Permission for administration process if the DIFC finds misconduct. So here, if an organization is perceived to be involved in shady deals and also happens to be in debt, the DIFC court assigns an administrator to oversee the affairs of the firm. The main responsibilities of an administrator here are to investigate corruption going on in the company or to create a plan that would make the settling of debt achievable by the firm. And finally, the review provides a guide to the winding up process that is easy to follow. And that's as self-explanatory as it can get. So would you be moving to Dubai given the new adjustments to the insolvency? Meanwhile, if you have not, make sure you subscribe to our channel for a new post in the pipeline. And if you've got something you want us to create content about, kindly put it in the comment section below.